Stop whatever you're doing right now, because what I'm about to tell you is nothing short of historic. Today, the Supreme Court of India has delivered a verdict that could reshape the very foundation of so-called secular politics in our country. And yes, you heard that right. This is not just about law. This is about decades of practices, loopholes, and political games finally coming to an end. So what exactly happened, and why is this being called a slap in the face for vote bank politics? Let's break it down. For years, there was something called Waqf by use. What did that mean? It meant that if a piece of land was claimed to have been used as Waqf property without any documents, without any proof, it could still be declared as Waqf land. Think about that for a second. Your land, my land, even temple land could simply be claimed. And when you'd ask for proof, the answer would be, it has been used for years. But today the Supreme Court said, enough is enough. Chief Justice Govt made it absolutely clear. No documents, no Waqf, period. Now, pause and imagine the scale of this. Thousands of properties across India, earlier claimed under this loophole, will no longer stand if there's no paperwork. Isn't that huge? Even Asaduddin Owaisi himself admitted that countless Waqf properties in states like Uttar Pradesh don't have proper documents. Guess what? Those claims are now gone. This is why many are calling it a victory for real secularism. Because when Hindus are asked for 200-year-old papers for temples, why should Waqf boards get a free pass? But that's not all. The Supreme Court didn't just stop at Waqf by use. It also upheld the Modi government's other reforms. Non-Muslims can be included in Waqf boards, up to 3 members. Women and backward Muslim communities will continue to get representation. The CAG can audit Waqf properties. State governments can survey them. And most importantly, Waqf Tribunal decisions can now be challenged in regular courts. Transparency, accountability, equality. For decades, political parties played vote bank games in the name of secularism. Prime Minister Modi himself reminded the nation how even prime properties in Delhi were once hastily handed over to Waqf boards by previous governments. But today, his government's reforms have been validated by the highest court of the land. Yes, there are still some relapsations. For example, the provision about how long someone must follow Islam before creating Waqf has been kept on hold for now. And disputes about older properties can still be taken to court. But let's be honest, the bigger message is loud and clear. The era of misusing secularism for politics is over. So, what does this mean for the future? It means India is moving toward true equality in the eyes of law. No special rules, no loopholes, no unchecked claims. Friends, this is indeed a turning point. Narendra Modi has taken on many challenges before, but today's judgment proves that one of the biggest battles, ending the misuse of secularism, has crossed a major milestone. Now the question is, do ye believe this will bring real equality in India, or will political forces try to twist it again? Let's talk about it in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into stories that truly matter. Because sometimes, the biggest revolutions don't happen on the streets. They happen in the courtroom.